Welcome back, you're watching CookieSwirlC, and we are going to pretend that we are going back in time again. Yep, we're gonna pretend that it is 2015 and Num Noms are still with us, like the classic Num Noms that came out, yes, 10 years ago. This is part 2, so if you wanna watch part 1, I will have it linked below. I'm so happy that you guys do actually remember Num Noms. I was reading your guys' comments on my last video and they were so sweet. So here we are, part 2 of my Num Noms collection. If you've never heard of Num Noms or you've never seen them before, you have no idea what I'm talking about, go watch part 1. They're absolutely adorable. You don't want to miss that video. And now we are starting off with this giant Num Noms that I have here. It looks like a big giant Num Noms, but they made these as a Num Noms collector case. So how fun is this? I haven't opened this in years, probably 7 years. So I used to store some of my favorite Num Noms inside of this, and I actually have a second one that I've had in my collection too, because I have a lot of Num Noms. I was probably like trying to buy these up to try to put my Num Noms in them, but this is an absolutely brand new one here that I've never opened. It even says that you can store 50 Num Noms on the inside. Oh, this set actually came out in 2017, so 8 years ago. It's crazy. So let's open this up and see what is inside of my Num Noms collector case here. So we'll open up the back and we've got a little picture here. This is all cardboard. This is not the Num Noms. Oh, nice. I have it really packed with Num Noms. Okay, behind here, you can see my Num Noms. I probably had them all set up facing the right way, sitting on the shelves very nicely. But of course, over time, it gets shuffled around. So these are, oh, it smells. I can smell it. You guys know that plasticky Num Nom smell? Yep, it kind of smells like lip gloss a little bit. That's what I'm smelling. So here, these are the Num Noms that were very precious to me that I was like, I need to put these away in a special case. Of course, right at the top here, we have the chocolate chip cookie Num Nom. Isn't it cute? Look at it. It's so cute. It's so cute. It's so cute. It's so cute. Let's go ahead and just pour the rest of these out so we can see. Oh, there we go. I did not realize that the actual shelves came out. So here are all the Num Noms that I thought were special enough to keep in the case. Got the little cotton candy Num Nom, curly fries. I've got one of these little tea cake bunnies, panda jelly bean, rock candy. Oh yeah, this rainbow candy. I always loved this one. Nice, look at that one. That one looks delicious. Got a little watermelon, another cotton candy. There's even a lip gloss Nom in here. How did I fit them all in here? Okay, I have all of the spaces filled up, but yet I still have 2 more to squeeze in here. Oh, wait, make that 3. I forgot about this little peach. Okay, there we go. I squeezed them in, I made room, so now they all fit in the collector case. Looks like I never used these. These are little labels, so you can actually label all of the little sections. They're just little stickers, so if they're from the pizza section, the sushi, are they Stamp-Its, are they gummies? And then it looks like there's also a checklist in there. Cute. All right, let's close it up. Oh, that was fun to open that. I honestly probably haven't opened this up probably since 2017. It's probably been that long. So cute to have this giant Num Noms case. Does anyone remember these that came out from Num Noms? I actually found this little promo code here from MGA, the company that used to make these. So it says that they are part of the Snackables line. These are the Melty Pops. So it says there were 8 of them in total. I found my original checklist for them too, so you can actually see them. These were so cute because these are actually filled with slime on the inside. Do you guys remember that? Does anybody remember that? I have one that's still brand new in the package right here. This one, this Melon Pop Melty Pop, scented melting slime. So you would actually pull the pop down and the slime pop would start to melt, and there was actually Num Noms on the inside. So here is the full collection, which you can see right here. And yes, I did use some old Shopkins packaging to store them on. So I just kind of took the popsicle stick and I just shoved it into the Shopkins box, and that's how I've been storing them all these years. So this is what it looks like. Oh, I wish they made these still. I wish they did. Oh, and that's another thing too. Everything that's part of my collection today have all been discontinued. MGA does not make Num Noms like this anymore. Cannot buy these anymore. The only way you can buy them, whether they're on Amazon or eBay, are from a third-party seller. So they are not officially sold by retailers anymore. They're just all sold by resellers now. So for people who are saying, oh, Cookie, because I know I got some comments that they were saying, Cookie, you can still buy them on Amazon. They're from third-party resellers. They're not being sold officially. So it's like buying from someone who's just selling pieces of them, either from their collection or from their stash that they had. But anyway, so let's check out this Melty Pop. Pretty cute, isn't it? It's really cute. So looks like this. It looks like a real popsicle. It looks like a push-up pop, which I used to love those. Pop the top of the Num Nom off, and it has the Num Nom slime that you can see here. Oh, that's so pretty. This is a little plastic topper on the top there, but what you're supposed to do is actually push this like a push-up pop, right? We all remember push-up pops. Ooh, does it work? Ugh. I don't know if it works anymore. Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. Okay. And it has a plastic wrapper around it, but this right here is the actual slime. Is it still good? I think it hardened. I don't think the slime is still good anymore, but you can take this off. Oh yeah, oh no, the slime. Okay, I don't want to open it all the way. It looks like it did kind of harden, but you would take off this plastic and then the popsicle would start to actually melt. It was great. It was a great toy that they came out with. Okay, I did it. I put it back. I put it back. I don't know, maybe that would be a video, checking out all these Melty Pops and seeing if the slime is still good. Along with Melty Pops, MGA also released some slime sundaes. Same idea, just like the popsicles. You have some Num Noms. You can see all 4 of them in the collection here. And they would have Num Noms hiding on the inside of the slime that you could actually ooze the slime out. So you can see this one has glitter. This one's got the 2 little cups of slime. You put it actually in the little Num Noms cup. Oh, cute. It even says make crunchy slime. So you can pretend to make crunchy slime with the glitter. Comes with a little lollipop, and this one's special because it's got a little gummy bear. So pretty cute. Look at the glitter on that one. That one actually does look like little sundae sprinkles. And that one's got a little blue gummy bear. There's this one. This one looks like the mint chocolate chip one. And then I have this cute one right here. So much glitter. Then they came out with these silly shakes. There were 4 of them in this collection. You can see the little cup of the little Num Nom. It's filled with slime, and then you were supposed to take the spoon and you were supposed to spoon out all the different Num Noms. Don't eat me. As tempting and delicious as these look, yes, it's just fake slime. This one is so cute because it actually comes with a little cookie num. Then I have these 4 that are also part of the Silly Shakes collection. These are the 4 on the back of the packaging. Cuteness overload. They're just so cute. I like this one because you can see the little rock candy in here, but yet you can still scoop out the hidden characters. So there's hidden Num Noms on the inside here. I really want to open these and see if the slime is still good, but I kind of want to keep them together since they're still new in package. I also collected these little mini plush keychain Num Noms. These are scented little plushies, and they've got a little tiny bean scent in there. You can feel the little scent beans on the inside. These are really high quality, the way that these are made, and this one actually still smells like mint chocolate chip. This one could smell, but I think it's picking up the smell of this one. Oh, it's got a little string. I should probably cut that. So these actually came as blind bags, these little scented plush clips, and I still have them on the inside. So it looks like I had gotten a double. Oh, make that 2 doubles. And I got this one, so I got 3 out of the collection. Oh, this one still smells like cotton candy. I have this giant plushie Num Noms too. It's so soft. I love it. I love how big it is too. So you can see the size difference right here next to the little mini plush clip. Oh, it does say we're scented too. I don't smell the scent on it. I don't smell the scent on it. Maybe if it hangs out with the small one, it'll start to take in its scent. And then I have these smaller medium-sized plushies. These were actually sold as a surprise in a jar, little Num Noms. How cute is this? Even the display package is so cute. It actually looks like a little drink tray. And of course, on the inside, that's where you have your Num Nom, which I kept all of these ones sealed after all of these years. So here's the tag, so you can see the little Num Noms on the inside. They're so cute, all smushed in the little jars. So let's see, I have this one, and then of course these 2 drink cups. These ones are empty because these 2 Num Noms were on the inside. These were the only 2 that I opened. I also have all of these plushy jar drinks. Looks like I opened this one. I shoved the Num Nom back inside of the jar. Oh, these ones are so cute. I wonder if they came out with these ones first. It said these ones are from 2016. Here's the full collection of them. I mean, I just think that's such a cute way to sell plushies, is to make them look like little tiny drinks. Num Noms were the best, I'm telling you. If you were able to grow up with Num Noms or buy Num Noms, be part of that whole Num Noms era, it sure was a really special time. And then I have another jar collection. So these ones, looks like these ones came out in 2017. Cute little strawberry one. Oh, cute. They even had the little s'mores. Here it is. Here's the little s'mores. This one's a little sushi. I even have these ones. I only have 2 that are part of this collection, so I wasn't able to find very many of them. So it looks like these ones are part of the Num Noms Lights surprise in a jar. Looks like there's 4 of them that were part of this collection. I only have 2 of them. These ones also came out in 2017. I have these Num Nom Smoosh cakes. They're basically giant squishies. I remember these came out like right whenever the explosion of squishies happened. These also came out in 2018. Oh no, there's 6 of them that are part of the collection. Okay, well, I have 4 of them. It says they're super squishy and scented. Looks like I already opened this one, so I'm just gonna open it again. Oh, cute. It comes in like a little yogurt cup. Came wrapped in this plastic to keep it all safe. Yep, there's a raspberry smell to it. It does smell like raspberry. It has a little dangle here so you can hook it onto things. And yep, it is still squishy. It did not harden or in it's not crumbling either, which that's pretty amazing because these have been all sealed up like this for a very long time. 2018 was a long time ago. That was 7 years ago. 7 years ago. Everybody who collected these back in the day is 7 years older now. I have this delicious desserts collection. These were pretty cute. Looks like this package I kept sealed. These are all the Num Noms it has inside, plus it has a little mystery surprise one. Mystery Num. I love these. Look at that one. I love the little heart that's baked right into the bread. And this one right here, I mean those pastel colors and that fact that this one is royalty because of its tiara, or it's just having a fancy day. Oh, look at this one right here. This one is a little Rice Krispie treat. They came out with this Freezy pop maker. It says try me. Oh, it says they're supposed to light up. They may not light up anymore because this was 9 years ago. This came out in 2016, but this would have been a really fun set. So with this set, which looks like a little ice cream truck, you can actually make your own frozen treats. Yes, you can actually eat these Num Nom Pops. You mix it, you freeze it, you eat it. Oh, these would have been so fun. I wish I would have filmed this back in the day. I wish I would have. This set came out in 2017. This is part of their Snackables line. It's a Silly Shakes maker. So this is not edible. This is basically like a slime maker kit. It says you pick your topping, you pick your flavor, you mix it all together, you press on that cute little gummy bear, and then and it makes your slime for you. This looks like a really fun set, but I have it brand new in the box that I can look at anytime. Got the Num Noms Mystery Sweet Treat set. This had 25 special edition Num Noms on the inside, and what's really cute about this is that it actually looks like a box of chocolate. I mean, who wouldn't want to get this as a gift? I hear them. They're still in there. Look at that. It looks like little cupcake trays, and all the Num Noms are on the inside. This is so perfect. Oh, it smells good again. It smells like cotton candy. Kind of a plasticky cotton candy, but still, it's just that Num Nom smell. If you know, you know. I like this because they gave you quite a variety of the Num Noms that are in here. Look at this one. Yum, vanilla and chocolate. And then they even gave you some stamper Noms. This one's a little lemon stamper. Little marshmallow glitter bunny. I've had this Num Noms lunchbox right here. This would actually make a pretty good collector case to keep your Num Noms in. I like that they're actually glossy here, so this image won't fade. It's just kind of like glossed. Yep, brand new. Could have stored my Num Noms in here. Back in the day, I had found this Num Noms backpack. How amazing is this? This is good. This is such an amazing backpack. It's cute. It's got the little breakfast pancake Num Noms. This whole scenery just looks delicious. And some of the Num Noms are kind of a little bit more puffier, so they kind of puff out a little bit. Pocket here, and then the side of the backpack has even more of those pancake breakfast Nums. Unzip it, and then, oh, it looks like I was storing some of my checklists on the inside pocket there. I also have this collection of Num Noms too that I have brand new in the package. Got the full collection here on the back that were all part of this series 5. So these ones are the croissants. This one is so cute with the little tiny square of butter. That one's Berry Bella. I always love the marshmallow squares too. I thought that was really unique. You normally don't see any type of product that has to do with like marshmallow squares. Like these are really thinking outside of the box. There's always ice cream, there's always cupcakes. I mean, and you can never have enough cookies, so I'm always okay with more cookies, but marshmallow squares and croissants, that's just perfect. Please make more toys with those items. So the little marshmallow squares. This one came with a little glitter lip gloss. The little blue one's name is CC Crunch. Oh, and the little gloss up Num is Sugar Cookie. Oh, no wonder I like it so much. Oh, and these are supposed to be scented like cotton candy. Yeah, I think I'm smelling cotton candy. Unless my whole entire room has just now filled up with the smell of Num Noms, which I'm not complaining about that. And I love that Num Noms even went just far and beyond. It's not just one Num Nom that has a scent, but they all are scented in their own individual scent. So we got chocolate, we've got strawberry, we've got cotton candy. Even the Nom is scented in Sugar Cookie. These are not just any Num Noms, these are actually marbled Num Nom ice creams. So cute. This one right here is called Mango Marble. And then the jelly rolls, I think, is also a really unique idea for product to kind of revolve around. I just love that theme. This one's really cute because it actually comes with the little cake tray, and then it's got the little scooper, the little pastry scooper. The yellow one's name is Cookie Cake Roll. Oh, Straw Kitty. Princess BG Jelly Roll. What? Yep, the little princess is in here. I mean, I love the little strawberry kitty roll. So cute. And then I had this special one that is part of my collection. This one, the packaging is different. It's in white for Menchie's frozen yogurt. This was released in 2017, and you can see all the cute little characters on top. And isn't that cute? Like, again, the perfect thing about Num Noms is that you can stack them up and create your own like custom flavor creation in the little cup and display them that way. The Snackables was my absolutely favorite line from Num Noms because this is where I feel like they really let their imagination go crazy. Whoever thought of these products at MGA, I mean, they're just brilliant. They're just absolutely brilliant. I wish that they would bring these all back. This was the birthday cake slime kit, but this was such a good idea. This was a brilliant idea. You basically get all the pieces to build your cake. You get your cake slice, you get some icing, you get some sprinkles, and then you're supposed to slime and put the cake together. And it was just this gooey, sticky, melty, just brilliantness. So I have mine open. Let's open it. I don't think I ever put it together. I really don't. Oh, wow. Oh, we have the frosting bag, cake spatula. Here is the little cake slice right here. So this is supposed to be your cake base, which these are the Num Noms, and they come out in all these individual little pieces. And look at that. Do you not want to cry? I want to cry because of how cute these are. So each little piece comes out, and because it's Num Noms and because they make perfect products, all of the cake slices are different. So they're not repeating faces. We've got a unicorn, we've got a bunny, we've got a cat, and we've got a bear. You can see the little icing on the inside that's part of these, and these are really soft. This is almost like a dog toy. You know, like I almost feel like you'll do like a little squeaky. The cake slices all have names. Like the cat is Priscilla Purrs. There's another giant cake slice in here too. So cute. Again, you can squeeze it. It's soft. It's like a dog toy. That still smells like vanilla. It's Lily Layer. And you can just stack your cake together like this. And then you're supposed to use your slime to decorate it. You can put on these like little candles right here. Looks like it came with sprinkles. This little icing bag, you're supposed to put this icing, but oh yeah, this is looking pretty bad. But that's okay. This set is from 2019. So this set is from 6 years ago. So I was not expecting it to survive. Ew. Yep, it's rock hard, but I'm never gonna throw this out. Never, because it's too cute. Completely hard. Sprinkles are still good though. What about this slime? Look at how it looks. Oh, even the slime container, you guys, has a little Num Noms face. Look at that. I'm telling you, they do not miss a detail. Why can't these be made anymore? Why not? MGA, please release Num Noms like this again. Okay, and then this slime, yeah, it's not soft anymore. It's just kind of a clumpy cluster. Did I make this? Maybe I did make this, but I didn't use the icing bag? I don't know. Who knows what I did back in the day when I was filming this, but there it is. There's the slime for now. Okay, this video is starting to get a little bit long, so I'm gonna actually have to put this into 3 parts, which you are not gonna wanna miss because in the next part, I'm gonna show you guys all of the really amazing promo things that I have from Num Noms. Whenever MGA used to send me packages, this is how they would package it in cute, adorable packaging just like this. So we'll open this up. Thank you for your sweetest comments. I see you guys. I'm so happy to hear from my OGs. I read your guys' comments saying you guys are 22 years old, 20 years old, and 18 years old, in college, finishing high school, and that you guys remember Num Noms and growing up with my videos. Warms my heart. I'm so happy you guys are still here watching. I will see you in part 3 for more fun. Bye, chocolatey chippy cookies.